abaibori hamo naborokiwa abaibori aborokiwa nabaigo abarimu ase chiskuru ao banyariko bagwesoke na kogokera amachibu amaya akejese hayinya tuko bagakurarigwa bene naboigo kwene kikosokiwa bene ni wizara yechisemi abona abaibori nigo bono bagendrete kogenda ase chiskuru ao heri kwerorera igoro ye enjira yoko maki gokwa matemwa igayo yabeire enkongu koyemanya buna hegokorekana kiagera nigo abaibori abange banyariko babakonara omurobiri wechisemi hori oeta 844 abwase bana bayesabira serikali kuroba semia okyasa bananchi igoro yomurobiriga umuya bwa masomo OCBE muri kito weekly forenge agotomanya senchero bwikira
magega ye wizara y'isemi gosokia matema kejesa ewiki yaeta ayu abera matanga kigima asomo fumo yego magani OCBE niga bibuli abange barorekanire gotamanya cinchira aborokiwa babo bakorete kubwatikana no gotabane grading system eli bana letem
sikuelewa vile nilikuwa naona wabile walikuwa wanasema sijui CB1, CB2, CB3 mpaka CB4. Sasa hiyo kanichanganya.
Kulingana na hii CBC ambayo imekuja sasa, kidogo imetuletea changamoto kama sisi wazazi. Najua kitambo kidogo tulikuwa tunaelewa kwamba baada ya mitihani watoto walikuwa wanaitwa mashule, lakini kwa wakati huu unapata kwamba ni serikali inayo wanaita system ambayo inawaelekeza wanafunzi. Imekuwa changamoto pia, tunashindwa kuelewa kama wazazi aswa, sababu kuna hii vitu wameleta wanaita E1, tunaona E1, E2.
Wano ni gotimia cha baiboli kuruwazi chinsemo ao ime county ya Kisii chesokia eli gwika chiskuru ao eli kuligyo basemia igoro chinchira aborokiwa babo bakorete asama temo yom.
Naona wazazi wanakucha sana kuulizia juu ya huu mtaala, lakini tunawaambia wacha waulizie na walimu wengine ambao wako nje hapo, lakini sisi tunaendelea kufurahia na ule mtihani ulikucha, sababu naona watu wanafuraha sana.
CPC EE1, EE2. So I've been receiving parents up and down, trying to explain to them the meaning of the assessment rubrics, but still it is becoming hectic, especially to my teachers and I as the head of the institution.
Abaiboli abo nigo bayoboria serikali yensi ya Kenya kweneke buna bosemye bwa bene nkurwe gobole gochia asa abaiboli nale baramanye asobwango buna bana babo bakoleta samatemu.
Mtaala huu ni ngumu kidogo kwa kueleweka, so we request the government to make it much more easier for the parents to understand hii curriculum iko namna gani. Ile kitu iko serikali waanzilishi wa hii mtaala wakuje to the ground ili waweke mikakati kuhakikisha kwamba wasasi wameunderstand hii mambo vile inaenda, so that tusiwe na maswali wakati mambo ya masomo inapoendelea.
Skuru ao anagege machiria cha private egatia abiri ya Hurricane egotoka chinsemo chiari ya Twenya ward ya Nyateko ensemo yemunge kutucha South County ya Kisii amona St. Ruben yange yogotoka Suneka ensemo yebunge ya Bonchari nigo chia kolete bya na barokiwa bange konyole kerengo gya EE1 na igo nigo barache gosoa ase chiskuru chia STEM.
Vigeregere watu naona tangu mtihani ukuche naona watu wamefurahi sana.
We've been having that anxiety of receiving the exams, and finally we've got all the results. We are very happy.
I'm also urging the students, the good morals that we have taught them here, they extend it when they are outside at home and when they are going to join senior schools coming next year. We want to ensure that the foundation that we have made in our children is extended. Even when they'll grow up, they grow responsible people in future.
Nonya nabo nigo bachitogera chiskuru ekyo asoboteraniro buya amano kubwatira noko nene egati abaiboli na balimu ekene nake kiagerete agokora buya asamatemu ayo.
First of all, I want to thank our management of the school for the good work which they have been doing. Secondly, I want to thank all of the learners who have been very hard working. They have been committed all of the area until we get this result.
Negati aborokiwa bali bakolete biya asamatemu ayo nigo borokyo mogokobo ase okonyora matemu abo nonya nyole twake gosoikigwa.
Nilifanya grade 9 St. Ruben's Young Academy and I had chosen the STEM pathway and I wanted to pursue aviation. That the reason for pursuing aviation, it has been my dream since I was a young child to become a pilot.
Bono ni getigarite asa abaibori kweneke buna abana babo nkwiro barachi skuru chingiya chire bachorete rero nari barachikogandara nenjira yabo yokugania kemasomo ingo report ya Ensoko TV kurwa se county ya Kisii Eritrea ne Wycliffe Orenge.